Hi guys, I'm just 1 minute. I'm just making a new animal jam right here and stuff. I don't know why I'm doing this, but yeah. I'm gonna get diamonds on this account and stuff, so like you guys can use it if you want. What? I'm not gonna say my age, so I'll just do. Not gonna do 10 because that's not my age anyways. I'll do 1. My age is around 7 to 13. I'm not saying my age though, but I'll just pick 60. Yeah, I'm 60 now, about to be 70. Okay, so this is gonna be user jammer. Jammer what 13. Jammer 13. Password's gonna be I love him. Actually, let's make a easier one. This is the password to one of mine, I think. Okay, I'm back. Okay. It should give you 1 diamond, and I'll use that code. 1 minute. Okay, let's see if this works. Oops. Okay. Well, I used that code on my stickers account yesterday, and that's not working for me. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it in this video. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.